Hello guys, we're gonna continue the second part of the business of spiritual and wellness products business. So let's continue what we start. Here you can edit and customize the page settings. You can change the page title. For example, you can type here shop if you want. And after this, save this. Uh, you can edit the site header from here. You can change the site title if you don't like it. You can upload the file of the logo image, and you can select from library if you want. And also you can add the logo image, the mobile logo image here. That's it. Now let's continue to the element section. So here, if you want to turn this on and change the text on this label, you can edit the social links. Here you can add a social link or email. You can change the style icon if you want. So that's it. Here you can customize the style. That's it. Now let's continue to the next section. So this, for example, you can click here and add item. You can, if you want to add item, you can design here the wave. You can change the wave intensity and the wave width, the text size. You can change it from here like this. So that's it. Now let's continue to the next section. So here first you have to delete this image and wait a few seconds. You can add image here. So for example, spiritual and wellness products. So for example, I'm gonna choose this. You can add whatever you like. It's just for example to present your for the presentation of your website. You can add another one here if you want. So that's it. The background, here you can just add just a simple art in the background like this. You can also change the shape of this image. The text here you can change it also. That's it. Now let's continue. Here you can edit this section. The background, just a simple art like that, like this section. Now let's continue. You can change the social links from here if you want. Add a social link or wherever you want to add here. That's it. Now let's continue to the next. So here you have also to delete this image and add another one. That's it. Now let's add the background like this. Here you can change the newsletter, so you can change the title and the description. You can change the button text, and also you can design it, the layout and the alignments and the background. That's it. Now let's move on to the last section on the website, the footer section. So click here and add a background, just a simple art. So that's it. Now after you're done from here, before you save this, you can go to the site styles and go to the fonts, and here you can switch the fonts back if you want. Just click on it. You can choose any font from here you want to change as you like. As I said, you have to try your best to make your website attractive, to attract more people. So that's it. Now you can here change the headings and the paragraphs. Just click here. You can here customize the family and the weight and the style and the line height and the letter spacing. So that's it. Now let's move on to the colors. So here you can customize your themes. You can choose any themes from here. So that's it. Also the animations, you can set here your style of the animations, and you can make it speed or medium, slow or medium or fast as you like. So that's it for today. That's how to customize your site. Now after this you can save this, and you can go to the selling section and customize your price, and you can add the products to your inventory and customize the price and the stock. And after this, choose the subscription plan and choose the way to get paid. After this, you have to just publish your website and start selling and start your business. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.